Alright, now if you're living in the US, you can now measure and track blood pressure using Samsung Health on your Galaxy Watches. Yes, Samsung's blood pressure monitoring feature is now live in the US, and this will be available on Galaxy Watch 4, 5, 6, 7 as well as 8 series. And this feature is rolling out in phases, so if you haven't got it already, wait for it patiently, you will be getting it very soon. To use this feature, all you need is Samsung Health Monitor application on the Galaxy Watch. On this app, you will see ECG, which is already approved by FDA and available in the US, and now you will also see blood pressure option right on the home page. And you also need Samsung Health Monitor application on your phone. Do go ahead and install it on the phone. Now here is some interesting fact. Samsung says in 2025, 119.9 million adults in the United States, or nearly half of all adults in the country, suffered from high blood pressure, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. When not managed properly, high blood pressure puts you at risk for heart disease and stroke, which are leading causes of death in the United States. And Samsung further says by giving users the tools to measure and track their blood pressure, Galaxy users can receive greater insight into their health and wellness, enabling them to make more informed decisions and lead a healthy lifestyle. And a very important thing to note here, it is not intended to prevent or diagnose high blood pressure. This feature is not intended for use in the diagnosis of diseases or other conditions, or in the cure, mitigation, treatment or prevention of disease. You will have to consult your physician if you have any questions or concerns about your medical condition or treatment. And this is not a standalone application or feature. It requires a third-party blood pressure cuff sold separately for initial and periodic calibrations. Every 28 days you will have to calibrate it using this third-party blood pressure cuff. Samsung has demonstrated this feature in a video on their channel. To go ahead and check that out. Now this Samsung Health Monitor application will automatically become available for download once the Galaxy Watch is connected to the Galaxy phone. Once you see it on the watch, all you need to do is open it, give it permissions. It will also ask you to download Samsung Health Monitor on the phone. You can go ahead and download it. Along with blood pressure monitoring feature, Samsung also offers sleep apnea features, which is also authorized or approved by FDA in the US. This feature detects signs of moderate to severe obstructive sleep apnea, as well as electrocardiogram, that is ECG readings, and irregular heart rhythm notifications. And all these features have been cleared by FDA. The blood pressure monitoring is the new addition to this clearance. Go ahead, if you're in the US or in any other country, do check this feature out. If you don't need it, you can suggest it to your friends or family members. That's about it. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. Perhaps in the next Galaxy Watch related video, we will be talking about the brand new Galaxy Watch 9 series. Already we have got some concrete leaks and information about the upcoming watch, and I'll throw some more light on the new information about the Watch 9 series in the future videos. So stay tuned, be sure to subscribe and give this video a like if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.